Discover the captivating beauty of nature in just 45 seconds. Nature is a fascinating world full of diverse plant and animal life, awe-inspiring landscapes, and natural wonders that leave us breathless. It has the power to calm us, awe us, and fill us with wonder. From towering mountains to serene forests, endless oceans to lush green valleys, nature is a constant reminder of our place in the world and the beauty that surrounds us. So, next time you step outside, take a moment to appreciate the natural world around you and all the wonder it has to offer. Because in this world, there is nothing quite as powerful as the magic of nature. Thanks for watching.